The Great Barrier Reef, like all of the planet's ecosystems, is under a great deal of stress from climate change. But we're at this amazing point in time where engineers, scientists and other disciplines are all coming together to create innovative technologies to help protect the Great Barrier Reef, weather the storm of climate change. So we've come out here today to Moore Reef, which is just off Cairns, to the Reef Magic pontoon, where this is the first place on the entire Great Barrier Reef where the Mars Assisted Reef Restoration System was deployed. So that was putting down the reef stars that we attach corals to. At the time in this area, the coral cover was about 30%, but I've heard the reports are that now it's up to 80%. So now, 18 months later, I'm really keen to get in the water and to see the results. Thank you. That was awesome.
I'm glad you like it. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
You've got to be happy with that growth.
Yeah, it's amazing. To see all those different colours and all the different corals growing.
I reckon in another 18 months you wouldn't see the reef stars at all.
And that's the whole idea. So the idea of having those reef stars is it supports the rest of the corals to grow up, brings in the natural recruitment, and just allows the reef to be able to restore itself.
The annual mass spawning of corals on the Great Barrier Reef is one of nature's most amazing spectacles. But climate change is now starting to affect the timing and the amount of spawn produced each year. One of the coolest things about my job is meeting other people that have really cool underwater toys, and Matt Bubben has some of the best out there. He designs and builds these autonomous underwater vehicles. That means they're computers that are thinking for themselves underwater using artificial intelligence to do various different missions. Matt has designed these robots to kill crown-of-thorn starfish, to survey the reef. This one here is to put baby corals onto the reef. And for the first time I'm going to see this one deployed on this expedition, where this will do 3D imaging of the reef, so you can look at how the reef grows over time, particularly in response to destructive events like cyclones, crown of thorns, or what unfortunately we have more and more these days, coral bleaching. However, corals may be showing a surprising adaptation which can only be seen at night using a black light torch. These fluorescent colours may be helping the corals reflect excess light so they can become more thermally tolerant.